So I want to thank people for all the support that they've given us for the past 5 years. I just want, like I said, I'm appealing to people at this time to look at the work that has been done and not to all the promises that will be made from the future from the opposition. That our panel, now the panel says vote for change. If you look at their manifesto, there is no difference between their manifesto and what we are currently working on right now. Also, if you look at what the opposition has said and what they had claimed about removing the casinos, they also said that they won't be able to do that. What I'm saying is now the opposition will promise you a lot of things, right? I'll give you basic examples. In ward number 2, I will say, okay. Cecil made a video about the fish market that the ladies of Iva were using. That proposal for the fish market was ready 1 year ago. It is only, I remember she had campaigned for Nelson, who was a candidate in Ward 1. It was Nelson and somebody that she had backed that had blocked the proposal. Now they are starting their, I would say, campaign, or they are ending their campaign on lies and false promises also. Now even in Ribandar, another basic example, a lot of people had requests about cleaning a particular area. This corporation had done the work, but their councillor had put it in the group saying that he had done it. See, these are basics. Now if you are like this before you even come into power, or if you want people to vote for you, you can imagine what it's going to be like after that. What I'm saying is we have been working for the people for the past 5 years. What we have done for the city, people thought was not possible. I remember when people used to laugh at us when we were ranked very low when it came to Swachh Surekshan. We were around 250 out of some 4,000. And we were laughed at in all our groups. But it took us 3 years to become number one, to have our own Prime Minister praise us. People thought that flooding in Panjim was an impossible task. Through hard work, because our staff have been up from 6 in the morning to 11 in the night because we are responsive. For 2 out of the 5 years, or 3 out of the 5 years that I've been mayor, there has been no flooding. If you look at Malla has to flood almost every year. This past 2-3 years, Malla has not flooded at all. I know it has been a relief to those people over there. So come what may, we have delivered a lot on what we have said, and there is a lot that we have yet to deliver. So once again, I am appealing not to vote on emotion and not to vote based on what the opposition is telling you, because their leader themselves has never been there for the people of Panjim. You cannot expect somebody like that to lead you all. And I just want to appeal to people just to support us this time. There's a lot that's yet to be done, and I just want to say thank you.
सर पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी करपा विशीं त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त पणजेची ग्लोरी जी आसा ती राखून दवरपा खातीर म्हणजे लोकांच्या मागणी आसा की आमी पळयता भायल्या देशांनी सुद्दां कशें ते आपली ग्लोरी राखून दवरता तशें पणजेची पयली पासूनची एक ग्लोरी आसा म्हणजे
but glory is earned, it cannot come in the past 5 years. Now if you look at the glory and everything, this is exactly what we want to bring back during the course of our tenure. See, during our first 5 years, what my priority was fixing the problems of the city. Now flooding was a major issue. Those few years we have proven that it can be done. See, if you want to look at I'm going to say bad before the election result, but people are saying vote for change. How can you vote for change when the face of your opposition panel is a councillor who's been there for 35 years, who has not delivered on his promises over 35 years? What change are you asking for? And what are you asking people to vote for? If you're talking about Utpal also, Utpal has not been there for any of the problems that the city has faced. What glory is he talking about? See, his father, I remember, has helped my family earlier also. So I will never say anything bad against the father. But the son is not the same. The son does not have any qualities of the father at all. And people will openly tell you, people are happy when he comes out of his house. So what work you expect him to do for the people of Panjim and everything?
ग्लोरी मीन्स हेरिटेज बीन समज सांबाळटलो म्हणजे समज इमारती व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो बिल्डिंगे पळोवपाक देश पावण्या वयले लोक काय गोंयांत येना न्हू एक वेगळेपण जे नजाकत जी आसा पणजेची ती पळोवपा खातीर येता सो पर्यटनाची राजधानी म्हणून आनी तितून पणजे आमची गोंयची राजधानी सो ताका लागून
See, that will have to be in consultation with everybody else also. I cannot promise you that now, but we have to check and see what to do.
Traffic and parking problem is another problem, a big problem of the Pondiji.
See, traffic and parking now will be a priority of mine going forward. Okay, now see, like I said, we had focused on the wrong things not wrong things, but we had focused on state development, on infrastructure, on getting everything correct in place. Now all of those things have been done. See, like I said, we are not campaigning on promises that have not been achieved. We have done a lot of our work. So going forward, all the issues that have been left, those are things that we will look after. Okay. Thank you.